Greetings and welcome to the Cummins Care Electronic Service Tools Training video series. In this video, we will be going over how to transfer your INSITE licenses. In order to transfer your INSITE licenses to another computer, you will first need to select the Windows Start button, then select All Programs. Once All Programs is selected, navigate to Cummins Program Group and select License Configuration Tool. Once the License Configuration Tool is opened, select the Transfer License button. There are two methods to transfer INSITE licenses to a different computer. The first method is Transfer All, and the second method is Transfer Selected. To transfer all licenses, choose the Transfer All button, and the License Configuration Tool will transfer all the licenses on the machine to the server. The second method for transferring licenses is Transfer Selected. For this method, you would select the specific license you wish to transfer. Then click the Transfer Selected button. For both methods, the License Configuration Tool will bring up a confirmation window verifying that you would like to transfer the licenses. If you would like to continue transferring the licenses, select Yes to begin the transfer process of returning the licenses to the server. New keys will be generated and the License Configuration Tool will prompt you to save the keys for your record. Select Export Keys and save the CSV file to a USB thumb drive or network location. Name the file and select Save to complete the process. The applicable licenses have now been transferred off the machine. With the keys in the CSV file, you can activate the licenses on a different machine. Cummins has made several support options available to meet your support needs. One option is to navigate to the Electronic Service Tools support page on Cummins.com. You may also choose to utilize our live chat by selecting the Chat with Support icon, or you may call using 1-800-CUMMINS to speak to us directly.